Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Hydrotool 8926 skimmer replacement Weir door flap, touted as one of the best pool skimmer flaps on the market. Whether you're maintaining your own backyard oasis or managing a larger pool setup, having a reliable skimmer is essential. Let's see what makes this one stand out. First off, let's talk about why having a quality skimmer door like this is crucial. It keeps your pool surface clear of debris, ensuring your water stays clean and inviting. The Hydrotool 8926 is designed to fit a wide range of skimmers, making it versatile for different pool setups. Now, what sets this skimmer flap apart? It's crafted from durable materials, built to withstand the elements and regular use. The dimensions 4.5 by 8 inches by 5.5 inches make it compatible with most standard skimmer models. Plus, installation is straightforward, ensuring you spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your pool. Let's discuss the benefits. Users rave about its effectiveness in keeping their pools debris-free. Its design promotes optimal water flow, which enhances the efficiency of your pool filtration system. And at a price point that won't break the bank, it's a cost-effective solution to keep your pool in top condition. Compared to other skimmer flaps, the Hydrotool 8926 offers a great balance of quality and affordability. While some may opt for cheaper alternatives, they often compromise on durability or fit. This flap ensures a snug fit and reliable performance, which is crucial for maintaining water quality. Now, let's talk about user experience. Many pool owners appreciate its longevity and effectiveness over time. It's designed to handle daily exposure to sun and water without deteriorating, a testament to its build quality. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best pool skimmer flap that combines durability, efficiency, and affordability, the Hydrotool 8926 is a standout choice. It ticks all the boxes for what you need in a skimmer door, ensuring your pool remains clean and inviting with minimal effort. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Have questions or want to share your experience with this skimmer flap? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy swimming!